Compression sleeves for lymphedema reduce fluid buildup. Lymphedema is often developed by women who have had treatment for breast cancer. However, some people experience lymphedema and the cause is not known. It is a buildup of fluid generally in an arm or leg and is usually not a temporary condition. Once it develops, it is permanent. A lymphedema pump is beneficial for many. One of the most favorable forms of treatment is a pump with compression sleeves for lymphedema. They actually stimulate the affected body part, promoting circulation. This in turn moves the excess fluid from the arm or leg into the cardiovascular system where it can drain properly. This is a method that is fairly new and has provided relief for many that suffer from lymphedema. Compression sleeves for lymphedema are multi-chambered, and they help to control the ailment in the comfort of your own home. This is a plus for people who may have transportation problems, who do not live near a facility that can provide professional care, or have other problems that may make it difficult to travel several times a week for therapy. This is why the pumps are considered such an important way of treating this disorder. The inclusion of the compression sleeves for lymphedema treatment, which are attached to the pump, are the main benefit. They inflate and deflate as the pump pushes air into the many chambers of the sleeve. This sleeve is placed on the affected part of the body, such as the arm or leg, and as the air is pumped into the chambers, this action causes the lymphatic fluid to flow from the hands or feet toward the trunk of the body. Since regular exercise can help to reduce the fluid buildup in the affected limb, the compression sleeves for lymphedema are very helpful. They keep the fluid from collecting in the arms or legs and make exercising easier. If the fluid is not removed from the area, swelling can make it difficult to walk or move, much less exercise. Not only does swelling occur, but pain is another symptom. There are no medications available for treatment of this ailment. This is why the development of the pumps was so important for those that have lymphedema. Because the pumps are so expensive, buying one can be a big expense, but if the pump is considered medically necessary, insurance plans will cover most of the costs. A physician will need to write a prescription for the pump. The copay that the patient is responsible for is generally only 20% of the total cost. Compression sleeves for lymphedema can be a lifesaver. If the condition is not treated, infections can occur in the lymphatic system or on the skin. These infections can have devastating effects and lead to more serious complications. By treating the condition as early as possible, people are given the chance to lead a basically normal life and enjoy many of the activities that were previously enjoyed. The earlier treatment is sought, the less the risk of permanent damage from lymphedema. Dramatically improves the quality of your life and successful management of lymphedema with our lymphedema pump. We'll work with your doctor and insurance provider for you. Call us today at 855-361-2944.